Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Whoa, my foundation is so light. Snow White, is that you? So I do apologize if my head looks like it's floating right now. It's just that the foundation that I was using, it was perfectly matching me, but I don't know what happened. But anyway, let's just continue. As you guys have seen in the title, I will give you a little field trip inside my cosmetic bag. Now, every freaking time I travel, I always carry this. Now, first, I have my Dora bag. Inside my Dora bag is another bag, which this one is a place where I like put my brushes. And then I also carry another bag filled with makeup, which is this one. I have this for 5 years now and I still keep this and it's literally in good shape. This is like a limited edition from like their Christmas stuff. If you purchase like a perfume, you get like a free something something. And then inside this bag will be like more pouches like this and more pouches like this. Like I literally have a lot of Crown Royal satchel bags. Now I am not an alcoholic, I just want to put it out there. These are from my friends and relatives, and every time there is a party I would grab it right away and I was like, I want to use this. So that's the story of that. So let me just show you the bag that I got. So thank you, Wook, for sending this to me, and thank you for all your patience. Now, I was literally about to buy a traveling bag, and Jesus probably heard me from the sky and said, like, you know what, let me touch this person so you can try this one out. And I was like, oh, okay. So this is my new cosmetic bag. It is from the brand Lavievert, and if I have pronounced that incorrectly, it's not the end of the world. I am so sorry. Do not rip me to shreds. So you can buy this at Amazon for the amazing price of $13.99. I was literally this close on going to Ulta or outside to buy a cosmetic bag because you know me, I love traveling and 'tis the season to go to your in-laws kind of a thing. So Wook is actually kind enough to, you know, send me this bag. So thank you so much, Wook, for all your patience. And I am no way affiliated on this, but if you are interested at the end of this video, you can get this with an additional 15% off, which is very generous because it's going to break it down to like $11.90. Ooh, I feel like I'm so good at math, but in reality, I just calculated it before I start the video. So it kind of looks like a small duffel bag. One of the things that you will like about this bag is that it kind of looks small for me, but it is very spacious. When you open it, you will be shook. And one of the things that I like about this one, it actually reminded me of my Disney bag. That is very well made. The type of material that they have used for this bag is almost like similar to like a JanSport. It's like thick, it's nice, it kind of looks like it's not going to be scratched and like have those little ruffles. I don't even know if I can describe like that correctly, but also one of the things that I like about this one is the zipper. It is very well made. The handles are not flimsy. I like that. These are freaking heavy. I love it, but like the whole bag itself, like the make of it, it's just so like, oh, it's just so like that. Like I love it. It's super handy. I freaking love it. I keep on repeating myself. So let's open it up so you can see what it looks like inside. You can even hang this when you are getting ready, like for example inside a hotel or inside like a towel, inside like a towel holder. Like what? So you can basically hang this while you are getting ready. Of course, this is not just for specifically for makeup. It's like a toiletry case or whatever you want to put in here bag, you know. And then there is a translucent part right here where you can probably like, you know what, I see myself like putting my phone in here. I don't know why, but I don't know. I just want to see my phone right away if somebody texts me. But then again, maybe not, because the people that only text me and calls me are like freaking scammers. So you can put whatever you want here, probably like jewelry. And then in here, you can actually see some holders. You can put like toothbrushes and eyeliners, and in here you can put some spray bottles. There's 6 in total of these, so it's very spacious. It's so nice. And look at this. on how big it is. The first time I saw this, I'm like, it's kind of like small. But, girl, it is very spacious. I don't know how that happened. It kind of looks like one of those magic bags. Like, it kind of looks tiny, but not really. So, it can perfectly fit a Morphe palette, if you guys are wondering, because a lot of people use Morphe. Shoop. And then, but this is not something that I will bring with me though. It's my customized palette. So that's that. And then before I even forget, in the front, there are more compartments. So 1, 2, and then you can put another one right over here. If I'm gonna put my toiletry here, it's gonna be my underwear for sure. I don't wear underwear, that's a lie. I'm sorry, am I gonna be banned on YouTube now? And then on the sides, let's start. Let me close this one. Guys, my nails are so long right now. I love the feeling of being a little bit helpless. So let's start on the right side. When you open this up, this is what you will see. I will fill this bag and show you guys what I will be using for the holidays, okay? You can put some brushes. Ooh, girl. And then on this side, open this side. There's more stuff that you can put in. So it's like both sides. Can put more brushes there if you wanted to, or whatever. How many toothbrushes you have? Probably like 10. And then have another compartment here. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this bad boy up, and then I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So let's go ahead and start at the very top. I just wanted to show you guys what I have inside my bag very briefly. And you can also see how much stuff that I was able to put in. And of course, at the end of this video, I'll show you guys what it looks like when it is closed. Again, you can hang this if you wanted to. And then here I have my sponges. Sometimes I use sponges, sometimes I do not. So it just really depends on my mood, but just in case, I decided to, you know, bring some along with me. And then I have my liners right over here. This one is actually for the lashes, and the other side for the lashes. I'm sorry, it's not for the lashes. One is for the brows and one is for the eyeliner. And I have like a flesh toned eyeliner here. I have one that is black. Now these are like my personalized palettes. I have my Sayate London foundation right over here. I actually have 2 of them because what I want to do, since my skin color changed, and since my skin color changes like ever so often for some reason I do not know, I always end up just mixing both. I have 2 palettes from Tarte. Let me just show you one just to give you like an example how I do mine. But I'm just doing this on one hand. Hopefully not one of my nails pop out. So on this one, as you guys can see, I know this may seem too excessive, but it's going to be a trip for like a while. So yeah, I just don't give like any further details yet. But I have like a lot of blushes here. I love options, guys, okay? Like I really do love my options. I feel like if I don't have it with me, I'm going to start like an inner tingle that I can't like really explain, and it really bugs me. And I have 2 of those, 2 MAC personalized palettes as well, customized palettes. This is for my lashes. I haven't fully stocked them yet, but I will fill them with my favorite ones. I have this for more than 10 years now, guys. Can you believe that? I got it at Daiso. And then let me show you one of them, okay? Okay, this is the dual-sided one. So all of these eyeshadows, majority except the glitter, is from your NYX In Your Element palette. And the glitter ones, I made them, and if you haven't seen that yet, I'll put the link down below. And if it's not there, that's because I'm lazy. No, I'm trying my best. But yeah, I did those glitters, and for somebody who's asking, yes, they are still very, very good, and I still use them. I have my mixing plate right over here. And then sometimes I use a physical primer, like a cream primer. Sometimes I do not. It just really depends. So the most of the time I only use this if I'm using powder on top. If I have the time, I have my MAC Studio Fix, and I'm in the shade NC35. I have my translucent powder right here, and this one is from Rimmel London. Nobody talks about this, but this is definitely one of the best that I have ever tried in my life. And I have an alcohol spray. Alcohol spray is like a must for me. I just love using this instead of a hand sanitizer. Now, if I don't find the cap on this one, I'm not going to bring this bottle. I will bring my larger one. Next, I have my Studio Fix Plus, the one that gives you like, you know, a little illumination. This one is in Gold Light. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Though you can just easily DIY that, but I still prefer this one because it smells really good too. And I have like a drugstore one that I can just use, like, you know, just to refresh myself every time I feel like it. And this is from the brand Pacifica. And oh my gosh, the smell of this one is just so nice and clean. Kind of like smells like watermelon, something fruity but not overpowering. It just smells clean overall. And then right here, of course, it's going to be the holidays. I want a little glitz and glam into my life. I have some glitter. These are like liquid glitter eyeshadows. I always use this buxom before I even begin my makeup. It's to take out the crustiness of my lips. I have the Gimme Brow. I have this for a really long time now. I actually have the original version. Remember when Benefit got sued because somebody decided to put this on their lashes or near their eyes? Oh my gosh, guys, why would you do that? If it's for the brows, if it says that it's for the brows, it's just for the brows, okay? I got my lash glue right here. It's from Kiss. My concealer. And then I have a mascara from Smashbox. I'm just finishing this one as well. And then, oh my gosh, this is from Lip Sense. And this is the Dealer Brandy's Beauty Bar. So this is very effective. I would say like it's super, super thick. And I really love that when, you know, before I start my makeup as well. Sorry about that. Let me just put this away. And then before, I really don't use like a lash applicator. But now that my nails are like insanely long, I have learned to use this. And believe it or not, I actually love it. And then I have a sharpener. I have a corrector, which this one has already been discontinued as well, but I absolutely love it. I was able to purchase it before it was even gone. So I think they replaced it with Boing or something. And then I have my liner right over here. It's a cream liner from Tarte, which I can never finish. It's still good. It doesn't smell like anything at all. I don't have any irritation. And I have my ABH Brow Powder Duo in Granite. And then I have my brushes right over here and more brushes right over here. Now, if I'm traveling, I try my very best not to wash my brushes, you know, over there because I just really want to like relax, and I don't like double dipping because if you double dip, then you won't really see like, you know, the whole shebang of your blending. So that's just me. I just use the brushes one time and like take it away because when it comes to my skin, I'm just really picky like that. It's like a personal preference. I don't reuse my brushes. Okay, some people are like me, some people are not. I don't judge you at all. It's just me. And then I have some lippies right over here. I was about to bring a palette. However, I don't like all of the colors in that palette. I can't really mix anything into it. It's just like a set of colors. It's not like the ABH. Though I wish I had that one. I feel like it's going to be like the most useful thing for me. So I just pick out like my personal favorites. I have the Wet n Wild one in Rebel Rose. This one is also good. It's from Maybelline. The shade is Unapologetic. This color, I freaking love it. And the formula is superb. Definitely one of the best drugstore lip products out there. I have the Morphe lip gloss in the shade Chill. And this is actually in partnership with this one. It comes in a kit. This one is in the shade Boo, yeah. Girl, this is, I would say that this is my favorite nude shade of all time. Like, I absolutely love it, and I'm so obsessed with it. I feel like if I ran out of this one, I would, it's something that I would repurchase, you know? And then another more of like semi-nude. It's like pink nude. I love Whip as well. I always get compliments every time I wear this. It's from the brand Bite Beauty. The shade, again, the shade is Whip. I always get compliments every time I'm wearing this. It doesn't fail. They would always ask me and stop me like, hey, what's you wearing? And I have like a lip pencil from MAC. It's one of their like chubby lipsticks in the shade Clever. I feel like this matches everybody so well for some reason. And then I have my Lottie London Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Work It. It's definitely one of those safe colors. Like, if you can't figure out what to wear for like a certain look, that is the one. That's the one. I think that's everything. Couple of big brushes right over here. And then what I have here is another, okay. Girl, if you haven't tried Unbeliever Brow from L'Oreal, you are definitely missing out. Now, this is the reason why I haven't purchased any high-end brow product anymore, because of this. Ever since I have it, I feel like my life has completely changed. Let me know if there's any drugstore brand that can beat this up. But so far, this one has blown me away, and it's also waterproof. You can have sex with it, you can swim with it, I don't know, do anything with it. It just really stays, okay? It's absolutely wonderful. I have the Benefit one. Now, if I'm lazy to do makeup, I would definitely use something that I can just use without a brush. I have my handy dandy spatula because, again, I will be mixing my foundation. And I have my lip liners. 2 of them are from NYX, and 2 of them are from Lipstick Queen. Absolutely, no, this is from Lipstick Queen, and this is from Lottie London, and one is from Morphe, and one is from the Ulta collaboration with Melissa Michelle. So that is it, guys. That is the overview of everything that I will bring. And let me know what you think in the comment box down below. What is your favorite go-to every time you are traveling? I want to know your must-have in your kit. Please let me know. Sometimes I do bring my Jeffree Star palettes, but this time I kind of like want to mix it up a little bit so that I can use everything I have. But since I'm that type of person who is like super undecisive, everything that I have here might change. But please watch out for my Vlogmas. Let me know if you want me to do a Vlogmas. Just want to show you guys what my bag looks like after I close it. Girl, she looks like she just got out of a buffet. I'm serious. And then what I like about this is that I really feel like everything inside is like super secure, because it has this feeling of like padded, so I don't have to worry about my makeup like crashing onto each other. And also, if you want to lock the main compartment, it has like holes, so you can just get like a small padlock and lock it. Like school, it's like super tough right now, but I'm telling you, once I finish school, I'll make sure that I give you guys time, because I owe you guys this channel. I can't even stress that enough. Every time you comment on the comment box down below, I feel very loved, and I do not feel alone. So YouTube is my outlet to like de-stress, and it's my outlet to like take the depression and loneliness away. It's been a while since I have been with my family every Christmas, and it's just been so difficult. So yeah, I'm gonna end this before I cry. And if you guys still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. If you like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!